If necessary, assemble the V4 wide flange mounting bracket. To do this, attach the inner mounting bracket to the back plate, ensuring the brackets are centered. Place a washer between the inner mounting bracket and the back plate. Refer to the IOM for the proper bar length based on the conveyor structure width. Slide 2 Midsize STP segments onto the mounting bar. Space them evenly along the bar length. Slide the assembled brackets onto both sides of the mounting bar. Lay the mounting bar and assembled mounting brackets in the transfer gap. Place the included cardboard shims underneath the attached segments. Confirm that the mounting bar and brackets are not touching the belts. Use a straight edge to confirm that the segments are below the tangent point of the pulley and out of the product flow. Refer to the IOM for more detailed information on correct segment positioning. Once you've determined the correct position for the mounting bar and brackets, transfer punch or mark the intended mounting holes using the mounting holes on the V4 wide flange backplate. A minimum of 2 fasteners per side are required. Remove the mounting bar, segments, and assembled brackets from the transfer gap. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill out the mounting holes. Insert the mounting bar and brackets into the transfer gap. Fasten the back plates to the conveyor structure using the included hardware. Note: to fine-tune the vertical adjustment of the mounting bar, insert washers between the inner mounting bracket and the back plate. Install as many of the remaining segments on the bar as possible, with one end segment on each end. From the center, push the segments towards the ends of the mounting bar. Measure the gap that remains between the center segments to determine the final segment size. Trim the final segment, or segments, and install them on the mounting bar. Refer to your IOM for instructions on cutting and sizing the final segments. Confirm that the segments are lightly touching the conveyor belt and all fasteners are snug.